In this video, we are going to solve the following quadratic equation either by factoring or using the quadratic formula. So here we have x squared plus 4x plus 5 equals 0. If we want to factor this, we need to find two numbers that multiply to 5 and add to 4. So the factors of 5 are 1 times 5, and that's it. And 1 plus 5 is 6, which is not 4, so we're going to need to use the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula tells me that for a quadratic equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, the solutions are x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now in our case, a, which is the coefficient of x squared, is 1, b is 4, and c is 5. So let's plug these into the quadratic formula and see what we get. So x equals negative b, so minus 4, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So this simplifies to minus 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 20 all over 2. So if we simplify this a bit more, we get minus 4 plus or minus the square root of negative 4 over 2. So for negative 4, we can write this as the square root of 4 times the square root of negative 1, which is 2 times negative 1. So this is equal to minus 4 plus or minus 2 root minus 1 over 2. Now we have the square root of minus 1, and so maybe we were taught that you can't take the square root of a negative number, but actually this is a complex number, so the square root of minus 1 is what we call I, and this is an imaginary number. So let's continue to solve this using I. So first we're going to factor out a 2 from the numerator, so this is a minus 2 plus or minus I all over 2, so the 2's cancel out, and I'm left with minus 2 plus or minus I. And this is our solution, so these solutions are minus 2 plus I and minus 2 minus I. If this video is helpful, feel free to like and subscribe.